What about this?
That's garbage.
It's not garbage.
Nobody wants to see that thing.
That's the best. That's the best thing ever.
It is not. No, it's not.
I think so.
The A3? Oh, we should pop the hood.
Pop the hood. Oh, the battery's gonna die. 1 second. Be right back.
The A3. You guys would have seen this on the channel probably twice before. It had an HBA turbo kit on it. That got turfed.
Binned.
That got binned. We did our own turbo kit essentially on it, similar to what Kayla had on hers, GTX 3582. We're shooting for a bunch more power. We did film some of it. We're really trying to bump up the power this time. However, we ran into clutch issues. It is a DSG car. It is now on ECU Masters also. So we ditched this, we binned. We binned the stock ECU, put it on ECU Masters. We got some footage of it. We cut it short because the clutches were slipping. So you'll see this one again. We just wanted to give you guys an update on it for those VR Turbo guys.
And will I be putting footage in?
Yeah, you're gonna obviously put the footage in of it on the dyno so you can see what we were going through. I think we made 490 or something like that before we had to call it quits.
Lame.
But that's an update for this one. And I still got this trashy looking thing right here. We still got to weld that up. That's not going to be there. That'll be all one piece. Robbie's still got some figuring out to do with that. So that's it for that. Getting there. Okay. Trying again. I put more fuel in it. Might not be liking it. Maybe the stock clutches aren't gonna, or maybe it's that mechatronic unit aren't gonna want to hold it.
You clicking toast? Bye, Robbie. 2.5.
Hey, how many takes is this?
Number like 8.
9, 8?
Yeah, let me guess. 67 billion times it's been on the dyno, right?
67 billion times it's been on the dyno. It's back on the dyno again. I've already started doing troubleshooting with it on the dyno this time. Smoke test has been out. Already had the wastegate
It's like deja vu.
It's all deja vu, yes. Yeah. It's deja vu from 2 seconds ago as well. So we're hopefully gonna, this one's on ECU Master. We've done, not really a video on this one, I don't think, before because...
We have. We've done a video on this.
Are you sure? Maybe originally when it came?
Yeah, because people keep asking about it.
Yeah, it has been one problem after another in regards to turbos and oils leaking and all that stuff. When we do a video on this, you'll get to see tons of that content because we've been filming it the whole time.
And then recently we had the Vantage car on the dyno as well.
Yes, we had a Mark 5 2-liter FSI. It was a K04 to track car. We have a video of that one as well. We'll
Not just a
link
track
that above.
car. A race car.
It's a race car, legitimate race car. They just did a refresh on the engine. They want to do a little bit of engine break-in, run it to make sure there was no major issues. It was low power. It only made like 250 horsepower, something like that. But the car before made 325, something like that. That wasn't the point of that dyno, that dyno session, but we got some footage of that, so we'll show you that. I'm just trying to get the ring seated just the way I usually do it.
And
this is Kayla's 3.2. R32 for her blue R32.
Some people have been asking about that a little bit. It's been off the road for a couple of years now.
It's been a while. It broke pretty bad. Well, it did break really bad.
Pretty bad, yeah, really bad.
However, the slew of upgrades is what's really taken the time and the delay from getting that back on the road.
100%.
Because it's going to be built everything.
Different animal.
Different everything altogether. So we just wanted to show you a couple of dyno runs, the cars that have been on the dyno recently.
Quick shop update.
Quick shop
update. Oh, wait. Do you want to show? Might as well.
Yeah, okay. The roll cage is now paper.
Yep, we did the bamboo paper
roll cage. Yeah. So we still have a whole bunch of sanding to do to this thing. And we're going to paint the inside, paint the engine bay. You guys will see all that, but we just wanted to show you guys a little bit of what's going on with some of the cars that some people have been asking about. So if you guys have any questions or comments about any of these or anything else, ask below. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for the support. Clayton?
I got nothing.
Bye.
Bye.